moment we are at Black River Safari, you know, the crocodiles. Sorry for not being so consistent on all the video making and all that stuff, because by now I should have way more content, but I'm actually feeling a bit sick. Not just me, you know. My other colleague is also feeling a bit sick. I don't know if I think it's because of the AC, because you know Jamaica is hot, and actually I'm not really so 100% used to this weather anymore, so we have to use the AC all the time to, you know, be a bit cool. And I think there is our downfall, you know. At the moment having some Chinese plums. The others are getting some drinks, and then we're gonna go inside the safari on a boat tour. So stay tuned for that, guys, and I'm gonna let you guys see what's happening. Sleeping.
2, 3.
1, 2, 3 right here. And also to the Black River Safari for your afternoon tour. I am Anthony, I'll be your captain, the lifeguard. Your tour guide, Crocodile, Dundee, all inclusive for the next 45 minutes to 1 hour. Just to inform you guys, I can't shoot with a little picture. What is no turning around at this point? We have to go forward. Black River starts in Trelawney, that's the north of the island. Flow through for 44 miles or 70 kilometers. Ends right behind us, beneath the bridge, into the Caribbean Sea. Today we're doing 2.5 miles on the Black River. I'm hoping to show you all some birds, wetland vegetation, and of course, our very friendly crocodiles. They're friendly. I think we all should return today in one piece. Black River is the longest navigated river in the Caribbean. In Jamaica, we call them the Gali. If someone calls you a Gali, it means that you're skinny. You have a very long neck and you fought a lot, you're a nasty person. All these birds, they nest here because of the fish market. It's back to the left, they flew across to get food to feed their chicks. Whenever the chicks fall from the nest, the crocodiles save them all from drowning by eating them. Here's like KFC, these salt trees that the birds are nested on, they are called mangrove. We have the white mangrove here, small leaf right here is bright red color compared to the red mangrove. Red mangrove has broader leaves and they are not bright in color. They normally have roots that grows from the branches of the tree all the way down. Those roots they are called aerial roots. At the tip of those roots are water-seeking cells, so they never stop growing until they reach the water surface. Whenever they do, they get very hollow on the inside. And then it produces nutrients and minerals from the river up to the trees, a bit like a giant straw. Okay everyone, so it's the end of the trip for you guys. So that's what you see. Normally grew up with 20 feet in Jamaica. You guys up front to the right, where are you from?
Germany.
Germany. What's the top, Alistair? What's the top, Alistair?
Yeah,
Around here is called Broadwater, the widest point of the river. We have 2 river streams, they meet up together here. Today we're going on the Salt Spring to the right. We get to see more birds and more crocodiles over there. Also people in Toronto. Overboard everyone, you will see where the water color has changed. It's very dark. I'm going to get some to show you and tell you why I get the name Black River. Our crops would like to get some of the basa. Or just get it out there. See any crocodile? Don't see any, right?
No, sir, no.
Yeah, you just know, right? Alright, as you can see, the water is very clear. It's only the soil at the bottom. The peat soil giving the water the dark color. It's like painting your pool bottom blue. Likewise, the water reflects blue, crystal clear. Pasa is clear, or food in pasa. Now, anyone would like to take a drink? Don't worry, only crocodile peep. Only crocodile peep in there.
Okay.
See what I
Mak ma, serious man.
Go on, eh? Now we normally have fires, everyone, that burnt out here in the swamp. Those fires are called swamp fires. They start naturally because of the methane gas, which is found inside the soil. Now, whenever the water level gets very low in the swamp, the soil becomes very dry to release the methane gas naturally into the atmosphere. Go, 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 go. Giving the guys a close game smile.
Little George.
Crocodiles are normally attracted to the lightest color and word. But definitely me.
Lightest color and word.
One would like to take a selfie with George?
You first.
Oh, I'm the captain of the lodge.
Okay.
Female crocodiles can lay up to 60 eggs. 60 eggs. They lay their eggs in the sand beachside areas. Deserted beaches where there's they take up to 90 days to hatch. Out of the 60 eggs, 5 or 6% normally come to maturity. The reason why some of the eggs will get spoiled, birds on the farms. Yeah, that's nice. You're gonna be very outspoken. And male crocodiles normally eat the smaller ones. They're cannibals. That eliminate competitions. Eliminate from its fire. That way you don't fight. Now the black was used as a transportation in 1800. For transporting goods such as rum, molasses, sugar, menthol, coconut, banana, and black. Around here it's called Mangrove Avenue, similar to the Holland Avenue. Farms that cannot be red mangrove on both sides are very peaceful and quiet place.
Man, stay quiet. No. Let him speak. Let him speak.
That's the zone of silence. You can move around here at this point to make your photographs. Problem? There's not a single mosquito inside here.
Really?
Yeah. All the mosquitoes here, they're all married, so not a single one.
That means really?
Females are extremely aggressive once they have the eggs buried and they get too close to the nesting site. Otherwise than that, no problem. There's only been one case of crocodile eating to kill him so far. This crocodile goes by the name of Lester. Lester was a good crocodile. However, it changed due to how locals treated the crocodile. In other words, they wanted to see if the crocodile is real, so what they would do each time, they throw stones and eat the crocodile. Some persons go as far as using spear guns to spear the crocodile, see if it's a statue as well. So they keep on doing that over the time frame. The crocodile become very hateful and terrified of humans. This lady was fishing one day, and crocodile jumped into the river, but she was trying to think the line was stuck, and the crocodile grabbed her and pulled her. And crocodile have to kill it, yeah, of course. But from then on, it hasn't been any crocodile case of killing anyone. The law was more enforced to protect the crocodile. Oldest mangrove tree to the left of over 200 150 years. It looks like the 5 organ in the old churches. A part of it was destroyed by Hurricane Ivan in 2004. Oh,
Yeah.
first I've seen this crocodile out of the water.
I want a big one.
Yeah.
Who wants to take a ride? And
This is Philip.
This is Philip.
Hey,
so one
Philip.
ride though, you know, guys. Yeah. We'll open the gate right here, see if he's coming in. Come, watch your left. How you doing, Philip? High five?
Bro, me have to touch that.
He's moving very fast. Sometimes it doesn't really cooperate.
Don't leave on the ground.
So guess what?
One idea that way.
Did Phil give you 5?
Oh yeah, I give you a 5. Just so you know, you guys didn't see anything. Yeah.
Okay. Here comes the police. Yeah. Is it? I know.
Alright, so welcome on to Crocodile Nursery, everyone. These crocodiles are seen here. They're rescued from off the roads, leave the homes on the beach side. Those small ones, they're 8 months old. I fetched them from the swamp 7 months ago. Those are the guys.
Wow.
How do I catch them? I like going to the swamp and I catch them like nice. We watched her a couple of times and seen where it's going in time. We watched her first. We've seen those small ones for 10 years. They're going to be around this size by 10 years. Now, those are 6 feet. They call it that. That little white color that you're seeing when they're still inside the water. Now, the reason why we keep them till they reach that size, oftentimes poachers hunt them and kill them. These guys, they can put up a fight and get away. It's like 75% of the 100 are getting away, so it's better for them by this size. Bigger ones, however, like this one here, was not grown here. You get phone call of crocodile disturbance. You get phone call of crocodile disturbance, and what we do, we keep them here for 3 years. The reason why crocodiles have an excellent memory, they remember exactly where they're coming from. Oftentimes they return again to finish what I started in the first place. Sometimes someone could get hurt. So that's why I keep it for 3 years to forget. So far, we have released around 200 crocodiles from here back into the wild in the past 15 years. This nursery has been around the company, however, over 30 years. And over here we have some 4-year-old crocodile on the street. We have 5 and 6 over here. And 2 females back here, 7 and 8. And the big guy around 39 years old. And 3 meters, around 11 feet. Feed them your chicken twice per week. These turtles, they're looking after them for someone, and the crocodile has to be a bigger one to really see them. We try to lose all of feet. Tell the gender of the crocodiles, there's an opening behind their hind leg. You have to stick your finger up there to tell the gender, but I don't do it. It's called molested invasion of privacy. Come on. Now feel free to make your pictures, no problem. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. No problem.
Probably at night they're more active.
Oh, sorry. Who had jerk chicken last night?